Let us start with our first quiz on general studies. Let us see the first question. The first metal used by man is A. Iron, B. Copper, C. Aluminium, D. Gold. And the right answer is copper, because copper was naturally occurred material on the ground as lumps. It was used by man 10,000 years ago. Later, copper was melted on fire and mixed with the tin, and a new metal was prepared which was known as bronze. It is alloy of copper. Let us see the second question. Survey of India is under Ministry of. We have options: A. Defense, B. Environment and Forest, C. Home Affairs, D. Science and Technology. The right answer is Science and Technology, because Survey of India is the central engineering agency in charge of mapping and surveying. It was set up in 1767 to help British East India Company to consolidate the territories. Third question. Who was the first speaker of Lok Sabha? We have options: Hukum Singh, B. G.V. Maulanka, C. K.M. Munshi, D. U.N. Debar. The right answer is B. G.V. Maulanka. He is Ganesh Vasudev Maulanka. He was the independent activist, the president of Central Assembly, then speaker of the Constituent Assembly of India, and later acted as the first speaker of Lok Sabha. He was also the founder chairman of National Rifle Association and popularly known as Dada Saheb. Fourth question. Samaveda and Natya Sastra both are related to. We have the options: A. Music, B. Painting, C. Stone architecture, D. Religious rituals. And the right answer is music, because Samaveda is the earliest human literature on music. Its part 1 includes melodies called Gana, part 2 includes verses book, 3 verses book called Archika. Coming to Natya Sastra, it was also the literature on music and dharma written by Bharata Muni. It was written around 500 BC. Let us see the fifth question. Which one of the following coals is mainly used for smelting of ore? We have options: anthracite, bituminous coal, lignite, and peat. The right option is B. Bituminous. Smelting is actually the extractive metallurgy to produce metal from its ore. It uses heat and a chemical reducing agent to decompose the ore, leaving behind only the metal. So let us see the sixth question. Which of the following countries is the leading producer of tin? We have options: A. Bolivia, B. China, C. Indonesia, D. Persia. The right answer is B. China. China is by far the world's largest market for tin and the largest producing country. It accounts for 40% of world's refined tin consumption and production as well. Let us see the seventh question. Which among the following industries is maximum consumer of water in India? We have options: A. Engineering, B. Paper and pulp, C. Textiles, D. Thermal power. Right answer is D. Thermal power, because thermal power plants are accounting for 88% of total industrial water use, followed by engineering 5.05%, pulp and paper industries 2.26%, textiles industries 2.07%. Eighth question. To obtain benefits of demographic dividend, what should India do? We have options: A. Promoting skill development, B. Introducing more social security schemes, C. Reducing infant mortality, D. Privatization of higher education. The right answer is promoting skill development, because it can be achieved when the rates when the ratio of working age population is high and the dependency ratio in terms of children and elderly people is low. Ninth question. Archaeological Survey of India is attached to the department or ministry of dash. We have options: A. Culture, B. Tourism, C. Science and Technology, D. Human Resource Department. The right option is A, culture, because it is the Indian government agency responsible for archaeological research and conservation. It was founded in 1861 by Alexander Cunningham, who was also its first Director General. For your information, present Director General is Miss V. Vidyavati, IAS. Question number 10. Montague Chelmsford proposals were related to dash. We have options: A, social reforms, B, educational reforms, C, reforms in police administration, D, constitutional reforms. The right option is constitutional reforms. Montague Chelmsford reforms were regarding introducing of self-governing institutions in India. It was proposed by Montague and Chelmsford. It also proposed diarchy, executive councillor and governors as executives. They also have two lists, namely reserved and transferred lists. In reserved list, there were law and order, finance, land revenue, irrigation, etc. And in transferred list, there were education, health, local government, industries, and agriculture. These are all mentioned in the list. So that is all for today's quiz. We have 10 questions of GK. So let us meet in the next quiz with another 10 questions. Thank you.